Welcome to Drone Harmony, the leading industry software solution for reliable and scalable drone data acquisition. As the drone data acquisition industry moves forward, delivering actionable data across multiple use cases, Drone Harmony continues our progress, providing acquisition tools that are easier to use in the field, as well as powerful enough to meet your enterprise needs. Drone Harmony is happy to announce a new version of our Android app. We're streamlining the setup and the flight interface for Drone Harmony to simplify tasks and keep your Android workspace more manageable and less cluttered. As you can see, the overall app is very manageable on Android devices. The left side of the interface provides planning tools such as a polygon creator, a line creator, points of interest, and a building import. Assembling flight missions in the field couldn't be easier. On the lower right-hand side of the app screen, users will find a very streamlined plan catalog, mission type display, flights, and a More section. The More section allows access to your site storage, where you can access pre-built missions from the cloud. The app interface also includes 3D visualization of your flight area in the lower left-hand corner of the app. You may switch between the 2D and 3D planning views easily with a quick tap on the 3D visualization box. Once the drone is connected to Drone Harmony, you'll notice the 3D visualization box and the live feed from the drone. Simply tap on the 3D visualization or tap on the live drone feed. You can toggle between the 2D area, 3D area, and the live drone feed. As always, Drone Harmony allows the creation of multiple sites, site plans, and missions on the Drone Harmony website. The missions on the site are easily synced with the Android application, allowing for access to multiple flight plans at the same time while in the field. Overall, the redesigned Drone Harmony Android app offers a more streamlined approach to flight planning and execution. Plans, missions, site storage, terrain-aware flights, and so much more are readily available to users whether they're in the office or on location in the field. Even features like our flight simulation have been improved. In total, these improvements will save time for drone operators and offers them the ease of use no matter where they're located. Be sure to stop by our website to learn more about Drone Harmony. We're looking forward to sharing our new Android app with you in the very near future.